This workshop was carried at Cheshme Maritime Technology Vocational and Technical Anatolian High School for the project Nude Blanks conducted in France coordination. Multimedia is a combination of text, image, graphics, drawings, audio, video, and animations. The best example is YouTube multimedia software can be used at the desired speed in the field of education. A person who learns slowly can learn faster. Multimedia applications can be used anytime. You can learn your lessons at any time and place using multischool. Multilevel applications are flexible. The user can learn desired content from the material present to him. Web 1.0 sites are out of date. Information and publicity were imported on Web 1 sites. The user was only in the position of audience. On Web 2 sites, visitors can use the websites effectively. They can contribute. The best example of these are YouTube, Wikipedia, and Blogger sites. Prezi is agent that we can create presentation. You can log in from prezi.com internet address. You will get a page like this. First you have to log in by pressing the login key. If you don't have an account, you can register by pressing sign in. There are different accounts here. You can use it free for 14 days. Then they will ask for free. I want to use my own account. I'm logging in now. We will see the works I prepared beforehand. To create a new presentation, we click on the create new button. When I click it, a screen appears. I can choose a them from here if we want to work on specific them. We must click on the Start Playing Prezi button. Prezi is a presentation creating agent in general. This is the first page of my presentation. To create a new presentation, I add a title. My title is Multimedia. I can also add content from this section. I can add any text, a visual. Let's talk about the features of the program. If I want more slides, you can add slides by clicking the button on the left side. You can double skate pages that can add slides by clicking on the plus button. They have transition between them. If you want edit transitions, you can change it afterwards. I want to edit my first slide page. I will add visual. You can add images from the image, or you can add symbols from the symbols part, and you can add YouTube video link by pasting. If I want to add music from the voice background section, if you want add PDF, if you want to add PDF, click on the PDF button. You can add presentation you have already done from the PowerPoint section. You can transfer your PowerPoint to slide by uploading it when you click on it. What advantage does it give you? Prezi allows you to work first on the internet, so you can reach your presentation from all the computers connected to internet. The PowerPoint presentation was loaded in. If you want to transfer a page from your PowerPoint presentation to the Prezi study, just double click on the page. You can position the slides as you like. If you want to save your presentation, there is a save button above. You should press the present button to watch your presentation. Now the presentation we made is blank presentation because I wanted to show you briefly how to press the tool. You can export the presentation with the share button. Different options are available on the share button. When you click share, press the button, you will get a link, and then when you copy and publish this link, people will reach your presentation by clicking this link. In another agent is a Powtoon. With this program, you can create animations. I will now introduce the Powtoon agent. You can also log in from the link above. You can register. You can log in with the login button. I entered my account with my email address and my password. On the main page, we have presentations that we have. Again, there are 3 point options above. I want to use popular themes in the middle. This theme is very suitable for school, so I will use it directly by the program itself. It has screened over than storyline styles. You can edit them, and my work page is loading. Uploaded. On the left side, you will see the worksheets. From here, you can edit the page you want. This is my first page. From here, you can determine the movements of the characters. You can change the characters with swap option. From here, you can determine the duration of the animation you added. You can also change the direction of your character, the text field inside. I will add it immediately. I will simply show you. There are various menus on the right. I will briefly explain this. You can edit a background with the background button. You can add text with the text button. We can choose character with character button. It will give you characters suitable for the theme. You can add an object if you drag and drop them again. You can add moving objects to your animation. Special art characters available. This one. You can use them. You can click on the graphic menu at graphics or click the sound button to add audio. With the record button, you can use your own voice. The image. This one image. You can add audio file upload. You can add image from the image section. The animation's finished. You can also upload image by searching with the image search. You can show you. When you finish the animation, you can display it pressing the preview button to check it. This fun. you want upload button and download button. When you finished your animation, you can use export and share button to export and publish. You can share the link with the embed code. The finished.
Our other agent is Scrum, Game Preparation Program. You can sign up for the Scrum program with Google account. Now, let us become a member. In Scrum Game, you can prepare your own games yourself. You can play with your friends everywhere. Here, you can see the games I've made before. It's a very easy program. As soon as you log in as a member, you press the Create New CTK. In the opening page, we write the title in the description section. Let's be overhead. There are public and private parts. If you choose public, you can reach your game if everyone sees it. The other is specific, only you can see. I am clicking public. You can also write information in the subject section or write a description in the description section. There are front and back sections at the bottom. You can choose the language from the front section. People will see the words here. And they can listen to the pronunciation here. You can prepare a game about history from the history lesson, or you can use it extensively in foreign language courses. I choose Turkish because I want to create a game about contrasting words from literature. I will show it quickly. I wrote black here. The computer has a tab key. Pressing this tab key moves the cursor to the next empty box. It gave us 3 cards. To duplicate cards, you need to press the Add a New Card key below continuously, or you can open new tabs here by pressing the Tab key. I wrote black and white. I wrote long and short, far and away. In this way, we can write as many words as we want by pressing the Tab key. Now, I press the Create Set key at the bottom. Here, the program created the game right away. I click on the click or press spacebar to begin button below. It showed me its cards like a flashcard. The game can prepare us as a test. In this way, you can read and respond to the questions. I usually use the game section. I clicked. You can copy and share the link to the game above. There are 2 games here. One is a match game. When we click on the game, it's loaded and I press the play button. Here, you give extra points when you bring the 3 together. When I click on the beautiful and ugly, he gave me extra points because the 3 came together. Our score was 400. The key here is locked when we make it wrong. I cannot play with this tour for a while. Time and score are effective in this game. I finish the game and I see a score. I want to turn the other game. I need mouse for this. I clicked. The game is starting to play. Here, I have to hit the meteors side by side in the order of letters. I'm running out of bombs. You can get protection shield here. We can prepare our game for each lesson in this way.